with the blessings of Lord Sri Rama and Bhakta Anjaneya Prabhu. I take immense pleasure in presenting this Samkshepa Ramayana, which is the Canto 1 of Balakanda of Valmiki Ramayana. Here, the celestial sage Narada narrates to Valmiki the story of Sri Rama in a nutshell. That's why it is termed as Samkshepa Ramayana. So, I will be reading as part of this series daily 10 shloka along with the meaning. It totally has 100 verses. I dedicate this series on Samkshepa Ramayana to my beloved mother, late Srimati Mangalam Venkatraman. And incidentally, today happens to be her 79th birthday remembrance, star birthday. She was a great devotee of Sri Rama. If I am not exaggerating, in her lifetime, she would have written lakhs and lakhs of Likita Japa of Sri Rama Jayam. I still hold those in honor of her and was a strong believer of Nama Japa, which she daily used to do for solid 2 hours minimum. And when health failed, she never missed reading them, though unable to do it aloud. And until her last few days, she had continued on this Likita Japa. So I dedicate this series to my beloved mother, and I hope the light of bhakti is lit in whoever who listens to this audio. Jai Shri Ram. Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Sashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayeet Sarvavighnopashantayet. Om Asya Shri Balakanda Mahamantrasya Rishya Shrunga Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Dasharathihi Paramatma Devata Ram Bijam Namaha Shaktihi Ramayeti Kilakam Shri Rama Prityarthe Balakanda Parayane Viniyogaha. Om Rishya Shrunga Rishihe Namaha Shirasi. Om Anushtup Chandase Namaha Mukhe. Om Dasharati Paramatma Devataye Namaha Hridi. Om Ram Bijaya Namaha Guhye. Om Namaha Shakte Namaha Padayoho. Om Ramaya Kilakaya Namaha Sarvange. Om Suprasannaya Angushtabhyam Namaha. Om Shantamanase Tarjanibhyam Namaha. Om Satyasandhaya Madhyamabhyam Namaha. Om Jitendriyaya Anamikabhyam Namaha. Om Dharmajnaya Nayasarajnaya Kanishthikabhyam Namaha. Om Rajne Dasharathaye Jayine Karatalakara Prishtabhyam Namaha. Shri Rama Mashrita Janamara Buru Hesham Ananda Shuddham Akilam Aravindatangrim Sitangana Sumilitam Satatam Sumitra Putranvitam Dhrita Dhanushyaramadi Devam. Om Suprasannaha Shantamanaha Satyasando Jitendriyaha Dharmagnyonaya Saragyo Raja Dasharatir Jaye. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Om Tapah स्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवम्. The meaning of the shloka. The ascetic Valmiki put the following question direct to Narada, the chief of hermits, the foremost of those skilled in expression, who remains ever engaged in ascetics and self-study, that is the study of the Vedas. Shloka 2. Konbasmin sampratam loke gunavan kascha viryavan dharmagnyascha kritagnyascha satyavakyo dridavratah. The meaning of this shloka. Who can possibly be full of virtues in this world at present? Nay, who is possessed of prowess and knows what is right? Who is conscious of services done, truthful of speech, and firm of resolve? Shloka 3. Charitrena cha ko yuktah sarvabhuteshu kohitah vidvan kah samartascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha. The meaning of this shloka 3. Who is possessed of right conduct and who is friendly to all living beings? Who is a man of knowledge? Nay, who is powerful and who has a singularly lovable appearance? Shloka 4. Atmavan ko jita krodho dyutiman ko nasuyakah kasya vibhyati devascha jataroshasya samyuge. The meaning of the shloka 4. Who has subdued his self? Who has conquered anger? Who is possessed of splendor? And who is above fault finding? And whom do the very gods dread when his wrath has been apparently provoked in battle? Shloka 5. Etadichambaham shrotum param kautuhalam hime maharshetvam samartosi jnatumevam vidham naram. The meaning of the shloka 5. I wish to hear this, for there is a great curiosity in my mind about it, while you are capable of knowing such a man, O eminent seer. Shloka 6. Shrutva chaitatrilokagno valmikir narado vachah shruyatamiti chamantriya prahrishto vakyam abravit. The meaning of the shloka 6. Hearing this appeal of Valmiki, the sage Narada, who possessed knowledge of the three worlds, said, Listen, and greatly delighted addressed the following words. Shloka 7. Bahavo durlabhashchaiva ye tvaya kirtita gunaha mune vakshyamyaham buddhva tairyuktah shruyatam naraha. The meaning of the shloka 7. I shall duly consider and tell you of such a hero. Be pleased to hear from me of the man endowed with the manifold and rare virtues that have been described by you. Shloka 8. Ikshvakuvamsha prabhavo Ramo nama janaihi shrutah niyatatma mahaviryo dhrutiman vashi. The meaning of this shloka 8. There is one descended in the line of Ikshvaku and known by men by the name of Rama. He has fully controlled his mind, is very powerful, radiant and resolute, and has brought his senses under control. Shloka 9. Buddhiman nitiman vagmi Shriman chatruni bharhanah vipulamso mahabahuhu kambugrivo mahahanuhu. The meaning of the shloka 9. He is intelligent, sagacious, eloquent, glorious, and an exterminator of foes. He is distinguished with broad shoulders, powerful arms, a neck shaped as a conch, and a stout chin. Shloka 10. Mahorasko Maheshvaso Gudajatrurimdamah Ajanubahu Shushiraha Sulalataha Suvikramah. The meaning of this shloka 10. He is marked with a broad chest, a mighty bow, and a collarbone covered with flesh, and is capable of subduing his foes. His unusually long arms extend right up to his knees. He has a well-formed head, a shapely forehead, and a charming gait. Here follows the conclusion shloka each day after reciting the verses from Ramayana. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Marghena Mahim Mahishaha Go Brahmanebhyah Shubhamastu Nityam Lokah Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanyah Prithvi Sasyashalini Deshoyam Kshobarahito Brahmanah Santu Nirbhayaha Aputraha Putrinah Santu Putrinah Santu Pautrinah Adhanaha Sadanaha Santu Jivantu Sharadam Shatam Charitam Raghunathasya Shatakoti Pravistaram Ekaikamaksharam Proktham Mahapatakanashanam Shrunman Ramayanam Bhaktya Yahpadam Padameva Va Sayati Brahmanah Sthanam Brahmana Pujyate Sada Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitayah Pataye Namaha Yanmangalam Sahasrakshe Sarvadeva Namaskrute Vritranasho Samabhavat Tatte Bhavatu Mangalam Yanmangalam Suparnasya Vinata Kalpayat Pura Amritam Prarthayanasya Tatte Bhavatu Mangalam Mangalam Kosalendraya Mahaniya Gunatmane Chakravartir Tanujaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam Amritotpadane Dhaityan Ghanato Vajradharasya Yat Aditir Mangalam Pradat Tatte Bhavatu Mangalam Trin Vikraman Prakramato Vishnu Ramita Tejasah Yadasin Mangalam Rama Tatte Bhavatu Mangalam Rishayah Sagara Dvipa Veda Loka Dishashchate Mangalani Mahabaho Dishantu Tava Sarvada Kayena Vacha Manasendriyairva Buddhyatmana Va Prakritisvabhavat Karomi Yadyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayanayeti Samarpayetat. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.